Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a voting pool using Google Forms. First, open Google Forms and click on blank form to start from scratch. Give your form a relevant title, like and name it Favorite Fruit Voting Pool. This helps people know what the pool is about. Now, type in the question you want to ask. For example, what is your favorite fruit? Add answer choices. List your options. For example, apple, banana, cherry, and strawberry. Make sure the question type is set to multiple choice. To prevent users from voting multiple times, do the following. Click Settings, go to the Responses tab, enable limit to one response. This will require people to sign into their Google accounts and vote only once. Click Publish and either copy the link or share via email. You can also shorten the link for easier sharing. When people start voting, go to the Responses tab to see the live results. You'll see a visual breakdown of the votes. For example, if you voted for Apple and it's the only response, it will show 100% for Apple. If someone tries to access the form again, they'll see a message saying, "You've already responded." This ensures your poll remains fair and accurate. And that's it. That's how you create a voting poll in Google Forms that's simple and secure. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.